Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our fan shroud for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Keeping the correct coolant temperature is very important for your classic Bronco. Depending on the type of abuse or modifications these 40-plus-year-old machines have seen, your fan shroud may be broken or missing completely. Dennis Carpenter now offers a brand new fan shroud for the 66 to 77 Broncos with the 289 or 302 engine. Our plastic fan shrouds are an exact original and feature the correct contours and mounting locations for an easy installation on your Bronco. Made in USA on original Ford tooling ensures great quality and a perfect fit. So get your cooling system back to working like it was designed by installing a new fan shroud from Dennis Carpenter. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.